Hey besties, assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make soft and crispy homemade Visheti known as chin chin that are super sweet and very addictive. So without further any ado, let's dive into this recipe. First, in a big bowl, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of butter with a drop of vanilla. Mix. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and 1 egg. Mix everything until smooth. Then you're going to add 2 1/3 cup of wheat flour and a teaspoon of baking powder and slowly pour a half a cup of warm milk. Knead the dough until it becomes soft and smooth. Once the dough is ready, cover it for a few minutes. This is so important because it helps your Visheti to stay softer inside. Then you're going to shape them into different types of shape, if it's small balls or any shape that you like. Personally, I went with small balls and I went with diamonds. Then it's high time to fry our Visheti. You're going to pour some oil and let the oil to become hot. Then you're going to dip in the Visheti and deep fry them until they turn golden brown color and crispy like so. Meanwhile, while our Vishetis are frying, we're going to make our syrup. In a pan or in a small sufuria, you're going to add a half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of water and a little cardamom to add some extra flavor. Cook the syrup until it becomes sticky like so. Once ready, you're going to take a big sufuria, add the fried Vishetis inside with the syrup and mix on a low heat until every piece is nicely coated with the sugar like so. And there you have it. Our Vishetis are ready, crispy outside, soft inside and perfectly sweet. These Vishetis are perfectly for tea time or a snack time, and Amrike Laltia where simple turns into delicious. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes, and see you next time. Bye.